Hello guys, unbox my first ever official camera with me. I'm so excited guys. I've been wanting to get a camera for myself for the longest time. I finally got it. It arrived yesterday and I'm so freaking excited. So let's open the package together and see what is inside. So it comes in a white box, first white box. So let me open it and see what is inside there. So this is the lens. This is the lens. Yeah. I think the charger. Comes with a lot came with a lot of packaging things inside. I think this is the battery charger. Then this one is the I don't know what this is. I'll find out sooner or later. So I think it came with an extra battery. And this is the camera. Yay! I'm gonna check it out. I think there's a note inside it. Mm, Well, this is the warranty card that it came with. It even comes with a warranty card, and I think it comes with a warranty card, and I think it's about 12 months warranty card, which means in any case, if you should damage it before 12 months, you can take it back to the company and maybe they'll fix it or either give you a new one. And I think that's quite reasonable. So now let's open the main camera and see what it's inside. I need to encroach my mic somewhere so I can talk. You can hear me. I need it to be close to my mouth so that when I talk, you guys can hear me. Yep. Yay. This is the Canon 750D. And guys, before I bought this camera, I did a lot of research. Like, I searched the internet. I was so confused on what camera to get. So I did a lot of research. I wanted to get either this one or the Z10, ZV10, whatever that is so popular on YouTube. Almost all the whole influencers, YouTubers have it, but I just went with my budget. Okay, that one was way above my budget. I think that one was around $600, $700, and I had only $500 to $600. So I got what I could afford. So yeah, so this camera is quite wonderful. Comes with an extra um, screen that you can flip, and I think this is the main reason I got this camera, because it has this flip screen so I can see myself when I'm filming. And guys, that is it. I don't really know anything about cameras, so I think I'm going to find out why using it. And yeah, I'm going to keep you guys updated And right now I'm filming with my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it's very clear. The videos are very clear, but that I just needed a camera for all my videos because my iPhone 13 Pro Max, there is no space, and sometimes when I'm filming, the video just stop filming because of lack of space. So that is the major reason why I had to get myself this camera. So yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. Yeah. And I really don't know my way around it. I'm going to read the manual, and when I start using it, I'm going to let you guys know. And this is to encourage anybody that is willing to invest in a camera. Buy something if you can afford it, but if not, continue filming with your phone or with whatever camera you're filming with until you're able to afford one. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, just so you don't miss out on any of the amazing content I'm going to be putting out there with this beautiful camera I just got. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.